Hi, this is Seth in the beautiful Applegate Valley. Really, from the very beginning, we as an organization, as a community, looked around and realized there's no government here, there's nobody in charge, and if we were going to do anything to support each other, we were going to have to do it together. And the community building that we'd already started was the foundation for the work that was to come.
When the COVID hit, we were luckily already prepared. We had all the networks necessary to activate immediately. We were able to set up a emergency food distribution system really quickly because we already knew everyone in town that was working with other people and had a lot of contacts and the people that activate. And when this happened, everybody already had a space to plug into, and that's not something that we could have done without the Ford family.
That was the place that all of that relationship building, all of that work building, that changed everything when COVID came here, because we were able to help folks really quickly come together and communicate around the issues they were facing, the needs that they had, and at least let them know that there were folks out there who were ready and willing to step up and assist in whatever ways we could.
And my impression is that the effective community responses to COVID-19, that is those responses that haven't been medical in nature but are more social, have been helped significantly by having community structures and relationships already in place.
Due to the strong leadership and encouragement in relationship building within communities that is present within FICB, Greater Applegate has been able to form really strong bonds between our business community, our nonprofit leaders, and then our local residents. And without those strong connections, none of what we have done in response to COVID would have been possible, whether it's from partnering with businesses to help feed elderly individuals and school children who are no longer without food, or aggregating really important information from within the community to be spread widely, or creating a mutual aid network of neighbors helping out neighbors.
We have greatly benefited from later opportunities to participate in work groups and personal and professional skill building through the Institute, leading us now to build greater community. This last year, we then had the skills and the confidence to reach out to other community builders and to focus on projects that would build a stronger community in Sisters Country. So as the pandemic then came upon us all, the connections were in place, the networks were in place, so that we can work together as a stronger community as we move through and then up and out of this pandemic.
Gracias a las herramientas que la Fundación Ford nos proporcionó con las clases de liderazgo, el conectarnos entre coordinadores de la zona del área, esto trajo como consecuencia que en esta pandemia actuáramos más rápido, ya que teníamos las conexiones con diferentes organizaciones.
We're out here in Harney County in the wide open spaces of a rural frontier county. What means the most to us from Ford Institute for Community Building is they recognize that we need to build relationships, and building relationships takes time in our communities. Having these relationships in place during times of crisis has enabled our community to be in a position to carry on. And our schools and businesses were able to help find some help during the hard times of navigating this crisis. And they will continue to be useful as our community looks to see what recovery looks like.
So everything that we've done to bring food to the community, to be a reliable source of information, to bring entertainment online, all of these things come from the work that we were doing with the Ford Institute all along. But what seems most important to me now as I'm thinking about it is that we have been mirroring community building from the start and have really become a family. So it seems more like we're not out here all by ourselves anymore trying to figure this out, something that's never happened before, trying to figure it out on our own. We have people at the Ford family and people throughout the area, throughout Oregon and Northern California, all thinking about this together, all supporting each other and sharing ideas and rooting each other on. And that's really, maybe more than anything, what's kind of kept us going and really helped us understand that nothing is more important than community building in times of need. Thanks.